Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Hassan, did you hear about the ONA level results? Our seniors totally nailed it with a high average of A's and A stars.
Yeah, it's amazing. They have really set the bar high for all of us. An average of A's and A stars?
Yeah, I was literally like, what? Just check it out.
That's incredible. By the way, what do you think their secret was?
I think it's a mixture of hard work and good support from their teachers. I mean, they were so focused and determined. It's like they knew exactly what they wanted to achieve.
Exactly. And it's not just about studying hard. I've seen them balancing everything. Extracurriculars. Like we have more than 50 competitions among our 4 houses. And it's available for students who have to be the member of the house councils and societies, plus participating in the external competitions.
And still, they managed to score the top marks.
Really inspiring, Alhamdulillah.
Totally. It makes me want to step up my game too. If they can do it, so can we. I'm definitely going to put in more effort this year.
Same here. I think we all feel the same way. Their success is like a wake-up call for us. It's our turn next, and we need to make sure we're ready.
You're right. We need to remember that it's not just about the grades. It's about learning, growing, and making sure we spend time here at this campus. And who knows, maybe we'll be the ones everyone's talking about.
For sure. Here's to a year of hard work, success, and making our Jamia proud.
Thanks for chatting with me, Hassan. I'm really motivated than ever.
Me too. Let's go crush this year.
Inshallah.